Hi, this is Jerry Esperanza. Today we're going to discuss how to set up an AND gate circuit. I hope you like the experiment and please visit this blog more often. We are going to use the following tools and materials. We have the wire stripper, the long nose plier, the solid wire gauge 22, the prototyping board, the digital IC 7408 AND gate, the light emitting diode, the 9-volt battery, and we're going to use the schematic diagram that will be our guide in setting up our circuit. First, we get our prototyping board. As you could see, the holes are connected vertically, this portion. The holes are connected horizontally, the lower portion, so these two rows. This is the same also on the upper portion. In the middle, we mount our digital IC. So let us set up the power supply lines on both sides of the prototyping board. We get a length of a wire. We approximately measure it, give at least 10 millimeter distance for both ends. We cut it, but the cutter of the wire stripper, we strip the insulator. And then we make use of the long nose plier to bend both ends. And we mount it on our breadboard. Pre-cut the wire for the negative terminal. So this is already connected. We connect the wire going to the battery. Then we're set. On our experiment, we will use a digital IC 7408. Okay, which serves as the AND gate. So we refer on the schematic diagram of the IC. Before we use the IC, we need to identify the supply line to make it work. On this case, we have pin 14, okay, and pin 7 for our ground. So how do we identify pin 14 and pin 7? First, we look on the notch fronting left. So this is the notch. Below is pin 1. So this is pin 2. Our counting of the pins is done counterclockwise. So this would be pin 7. And the other end is pin 8. And this is pin 14 for our BCC. Let us mount our IC. Let us connect the supply line of the IC. So pin 14 is connected on the positive terminal. We connect pin 7 to ground. Okay, there we have it. We set up now to test the output of the gate. LED is used for this purpose. LED has two terminals. The longer pin serves as the positive and the shorter one serves as the negative. Since on our diagram we need to connect the shorter terminal to ground, we set it up. Okay. We connect a line from pin 3 and connect it to the longer pin of the LED. We cut now a pair of wire that will serve as the inputs to our IC. Okay. So we connect both ends of the wire to pin 1 and pin 2. This pin 1. This is pin 2. And we're now ready to test. We test using the truth table. Initially, pin 1 and pin 2 are connected to the negative line of the circuit having low input signals. We yield low output signal on this case. If we set pin 2 to a high signal, we connect the input signal to the positive line of the circuit. Still, we got a low output signal. If we interchange the input combination of pin 1 and pin 2, okay, we still got a low output signal. If we set both terminals to high input signal, we yield a high output.